Hello guys, how are you? I know all of you are fine. Today we read a new chapter of my WatchTower Social Studies Grade 5. Okay guys, we start the chapter. Chapter name are the earliest human. The earliest human beings did not resemble the way we look today. They underwent many transformations to evolve into modern human. Let us learn more about the story of human evolves. Anthropologists believe that human beings evolved from hominids. The remains of the earliest humans can be tracked back to Africa about 4 million years ago, when they evolved from pyramids. Hominids were ancestors of early humans who emerged approximately 2000 years ago. Over the years, different species of hominids were thought a number of transformations to evolve into the modern human beings. Hominids transformed as they learned to adapt themselves to the changing environment. We learn about different types of hominids from fossils, bones, and tools left behind by our early ancestors. What is Homo habilis? Homo habilis, they are believed to have evolved from the southern ape about 2.4 to 1.5 million years ago in sub-Saharan Africa. Homo habilis lived in and hunting together. They used stones and wood to make for cutting, chopping, digging, and hunting animals. They are bigger brain than southern apes, smaller teeth, and almost human-like foot and hand bones. Homo erectus. They are believed to have extincted in Africa about 1.8 or 1.9 million years ago. As they could stand erect and walk with a straight back, they came to be trims and the upright man. They used better tools and had much bigger brains than the Homo habilis. Neanderthals. They are believed to have appeared about 3000 to 1000 years ago. They are also called the wise men because of their well-developed brain. Neanderthals made better tools from stone, which they used to hunt down larger animals like mammoths. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens are the only species of humans surviving till this date on earth. They learned to make and use better tools and weapons. They are called the thinking man. In the book Not Right Now is Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay? The book was not written. Now we tell non-let-take. Neanderthals were named so because the first recognized evidence of their extincted were found in the Neanderthal Valley in Germany. Experts also found the first evidence of the practice of burying and dead among the Neanderthals. How did the historians find out about early humans? Early humans left many evidence behind from which we learn about their appearance as well as habits. Their evidence include fossils, bones, tools, and other artifacts used by them. These are also known as sources of history. Fossils. Fossils are the remains of impressions of plants or animals that extended in the so on. They include bones, skeletons, stone imprints, hair, and so on. Scientists and experts study these remains to learn more about their human. As we have learned the first evidence of remain of early humans can be tracked back to the condition of Africa, from where humans spread out into the other parts of the world. Tools. The early humans made the first crude tools using wood and stone, as they were the most abundantly available resources. They made stone tools by hitting on stone with another to make the evidence. Sharp tools. Tools were sharp. Edges were used for scraping, digging, and cutting. When early humans learned to hunt animals in groups, they also began to use animal bones to make tools. As most tools were made of stone, this period can be known as the Stone Age. Based on the kind of tools used, the Stone Age can be classified into different patches. Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age. During this period, humans were largely hunter-gatherers. They used tools made of stones, bones, and wood. Hand axes with sharp edges were the most common tools. Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age. This period saw a gradual change in weather conditions as the ice sheet began to melt and grassy lands emerged. The humans were small tools or methodologies in this period. Smaller, sharper tools that could be fitted to make arrows and spears were common during the Mesolithic period. 3. Neolithic or the New Stone Age. Most polished and sharper tools of various sizes were common during this period. Paleolithic Age or the Copper and Stone Age. During this period, the early humans discovered the metal copper. Both copper and stone tools were prevalent in this period. Habitation. Early humans lived in trees and kept shelter. The shelters protected them from extreme weather conditions and the threat of wild animals. The remains of bones, tools, and paintings drawn on the wall of caves inhabited by early humans tell us a lot about their day-to-day life. The cave painting drawn by early humans depicts scenes of hunting and daily activities. These caves art mainly include painting of animals such as bison, deer, and bear. Sometimes hand painting of plum are also found in this painting. Hunter-gatherers. The early humans were nomadic people who not permanent homes. They wandered from one place to another in search of food. They ate fruits, nuts, seeds, and honey that they gathered from their natural surroundings. Early humans also gradually learned to make weapons and hunt animals for food, as they depend on hunting or gathering for their survival. They came to be known as hunter-gatherers. Early humans received that food could be found easily near sources of water. Hence, they roamed from one place to another in large groups in search of food, water, and shelter. They were dependent on weather, as favorable conditions meant greater boundary of fruits and animals to hunt their gather. Early humans traveled in large groups, as this provided them with more protection against harsh climate and threat of wild animals. They also hunted large animals in groups using tools such as arrows and spears made from stone and wood. In the Mesolithic period, ice sheets began to melt and grassy land emerged from humans learned to domesticate animals for different purposes. Knowledge Stone Age sites have been discovered in the Vidya and Satpura hills of central India. Kitika in Madhya Pradesh, in the well-known site of early humans' habitation in India, beginning of sheltered life. During the Neolithic period, the early humans gradually began to shelter down, and they learned how to grow crops, agriculture, and cattle, remaining because prevented, and the people no longer lead nomadic lives. Hunting was still practiced, but food gather can wait to farming, which emerged as the main sources. Okay guys, now we start a new rule. We target likes. This video we target 100 likes. Okay? Thank you.